A parliamentary caucus on out-of-school children was organised in Islamabad, bringing together the members of parliament to reaffirm a shared national commitment to education reforms. More in this report by Anam Abbasi.
The closing ceremony of the Parliamentary Caucus on Child Rights, titled Addressing Pakistan's Educational Crisis to Enhance the Parliamentary Engagement on Out-of-School Children, was organized under the leadership of Dr. Nikat Shakil Khan, convener of the PCCR. The event highlighted the key factors contributing to the high number of out-of-school children in Pakistan, categorizing them into economic, socio-culture, environmental and institutional barriers. The caucus was attended by the parliamentarians all across the country. The session highlighted the urgent need to view education not just as a development goal but a fundamental child right enshrined in Pakistan's constitution and international commitments. The Federal Minister of Education also spoke to PTV World and highlighted the ministry's ongoing efforts to operationalize this commitment through a coordinated multi-sectoral approach.
Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mian Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, announced the education emergency. And this emergency was announced seeing the education sector and all the challenges which we are facing right now in Pakistan. The number one, I feel, is the out-of-school children challenge. 26 million children out of school. And we don't just talk about the children who are out of school, but the learning poverty as well. The children who are studying in the school, what quality we are giving to them.
The convener of the session also spoke to PTV World.
There are so many cases, there are so many reasons why children are out of school. And each province and the reason for out of school children is different in every province. So we have at least gathered information which is, I think, which is very beneficial and very fruitful for the coming years in which we will work.
The parliamentarians attending the session also spoke to PTV World.
It is just not the number, it is more of a qualitative side. So we have to bring in that qualitative aspects so the decision making can be supported with that, because it is not just a number of people who are out, like the reasons why they are out and how that those reasons are actually have an interplay between them and how they are actually going to affect any of the strategies or the policies that we are going to make for them.
Actually, it is the purview of the parliamentarians, the members of the National Assembly and members of the provincial assemblies, especially the elected ones who have constituencies. So now they can do something. They can actually focus on the schools that are available, the quality of education that is being imparted, and that the children are in school. But there has to be an incentive for children into school.
The session highlighted the need to engage communities from areas with highest rate of out-of-school children, ensuring that their voices and concerns are heard. Almost 26 million children in Pakistan are out of school, and in this parliamentary caucus we have discussed what are the reasons for these children to be out of the school. There is a need for serious legislative reforms to be brought in the parliament where we can put these children back in the school and provide them with quality education. Reporting for PTV World, this is Anam Abbasi.